We are based on a 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to one analysis in my last video, since the price was within with this move, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. We didn't have the really good trade setup unless someone trade this. And if anyone trade this correction, no, I think they should start to manage. Okay, now we want to see we're looking at this correction, whether this one can continue and retest this low or not. Okay, and right now mostly we can put this move in relative to this. That means no, we're looking at this correction. We can expect for one more drop because we don't have any move similar to what we get here within this. That's why this one still is turned to a correction. For me, I consider as a correction. The best things if I get one more drop, at least to retest this low as a sharp move, then any reversal I will look for buy. And we mentioned as long as the price haven't retested this low, we put this one in relative to this. But how about if the price this one turned to a flag? Also, we can trade it, but we consider as a short term. What I mean, as long as we get it the profit, we start to manage, and we're expecting the price move sharply. Rather than that, if it's tend like to move as a corrective, not really sharp, we don't stay with the trade. That's why I mentioned if we can confirm this correction for one more drop, any reversal, we can give us better confirmation. And how about if the price continue from here without dropping? The only way having entry above this, which is really risky again, it depends on the traders. If they want to have entry above this, they should be like in front of their computer, at least they, or I mean in front of the charts, and at least they know how to, they can manage if they see there is no continuation, because still we can expect even the price break this top, tend to expanding for one more drop. Okay, anyway, right now we're looking at this correction, and we mentioned if the price continue from here, either we should look for flag or with the breakout of the stop. But the best option, if we get one more drop, we can confirm this correction is relative to this to move, any reversal from there. Okay, and if I move to for daily chart, what we can see based on daily chart, this is what we need to know, that we get a really sharp move down, and this one is the correction. How deep this one correction can be, whether we can put this correction in relative to this for one more drop or not. Okay, this is what we need to also be aware, that if this is a correction relative to this, any time the price can retest the previous low, but we are not looking for sell. The only thing is, if we want to look for buy, we need to be aware of this option. And if we move to 1 hour chart, what I see, we can expect this one drop a bit, we get one move up, and when the price broke this top, we should be aware of this flat, as of what I explained based on daily chart, for one more drop. Okay, when the price break this top, if we see there is a continuation, is good for us. But if we see there is no continuation, the price tag, we see any reversal, then from there maybe we can look for sell. That's why we have to get this up move, then from there we can make a decision. But whatever right now we discuss is the price, as long as the price haven't retest this low. But if the price drop and retest this low, then any reversal we can look for buying. Then we don't need to look for this one, may tend to a correction for one more drop. Okay, anyway, we move to 1 hour chart, and we want to see how we can trade. As I mentioned, either we wait for the price to retest, break this low, then any reversal, or if we want to look for, if the price continue from here, either we get the flag or having entry above this. And I mentioned the best option is if we get one more drop, it can give us better confirmation for the reversal to break the previous stop. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any change, any update, I will share. Thanks.